Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lightweight Hydrating Facial Gel Cleanser. Refreshing hydration with every wash. Give your skin a boost of hydration with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Lightweight Hydrating Facial Gel Cleanser. This gentle, yet effective cleanser is infused with hyaluronic acid, delivering a surge of moisture as it removes dirt, oil, and makeup. Its lightweight, gel formula transforms into a silky lather, leaving your skin feeling fresh, soft, and hydrated without stripping away its natural moisture. Why choose Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cleanser? Hydration power enriched with hyaluronic acid, it locks in moisture while cleansing. Gentle yet effective removes impurities without leaving the skin dry or tight. Lightweight refreshing transforms into a foamy lather for a refreshing, clean feel. Suitable for all skin types, especially great for normal to dry skin in need of extra hydration. How to use. 1. Apply to wet face and gently massage into a lather. 2. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. 3. Use daily for best results, morning and night. Experience clean, refreshed, and hydrated skin every day with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cleanser, your go-to for a smooth, radiant complexion.
Subscribe to our channel for the best skincare tips and product recommendations. Stay informed about how to keep your skin healthy and glowing with our expert advice and reviews. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button now.